I'm making this video for people who are interested in knowing about this specific label printer, as well as anyone starting a small business and wondering when or if they need one in general. And this video isn't sponsored. I chose and purchased this printer myself, so everything in this video is my own opinion based on my own experiences. I bought this printer because it was inexpensive and the reviews were more positive than similar options. They include a dispenser for fan-folded style labels, which is pretty cool because then you don't have to buy one separately. The setup for this printer was pretty easy. Anything that you need to install is on this USB drive. The drivers are also on their website if the USB drive doesn't work for some reason. They give, I think, 20 free labels, which helps a lot with setting everything up and getting it all aligned. It took me a few tries to get that part right. They also give links to videos to watch first so you can see how to set everything up. And of course there's the various cables. There's a power cable that needs to be connected to a wall outlet and a USB cable that connects it to your computer. The printer is actually really cute and compact. I like the way that it looks. I set it up on this little shelf next to my desk because I needed room to set up the dispenser behind it where it wouldn't get bumped out of place by me or my cats. One thing I've noticed having used it for a few weeks now is that if you bring the print speed down by 1 and the density up by 1, you get a cleaner print and waste less labels on reprinting. I accidentally printed a postcard design through it because I forgot to change the print source, and it actually looked really cool. I eventually want to print stickers with it, like the Please Don't Bend shipping stickers and thank you stickers that go on the packaging. So when should you get a shipping label printer? I started my shop in 2019 and I'm just now getting one in 2022. Do I think I should have gotten one sooner? Definitely. But how soon? When I first started out, I was averaging maybe one sale a week, so it didn't seem necessary then. I printed my shipping labels onto regular paper and taped them with clear packing tape. After a few months of that, I bought label paper that fit my printer, and that felt like a huge upgrade. But the problem with that was that I only had an inkjet printer, which is great if you want high quality prints, but also uses very expensive ink. If you have a laser printer, this method would be a great way to start out because it doesn't use up ink the way that an inkjet printer does. Shipping label printers use heat and thermal paper to print, so you never have to buy ink for them, which is a big money saver in the long run. If I had to start over again, knowing what I know now, I would have invested in the label printer after probably my first 50 sales. But of course you could start with one right away if you wanted to. Reasons you might do that would be if you've already got an active following of people who are anticipating your shop opening and you know you'll be making a lot of sales right away. Maybe you've done pre-orders or a sign-up list and you know you'll be preparing a lot of orders all at once. Some good reasons to hold off on a label printer for a few months might be if you have a smaller following and aren't sure if you'll get many sales right away. If it's your first time selling anything online, you may find that you don't enjoy it or that it doesn't work out the way that you expect. So this is definitely an item that you can wait on if you're on the fence and still feeling things out. If you've already got an established shop and don't have a label printer yet, I would definitely recommend it. It has sped up and simplified my processing time so much, and I'm glad that I got this one. If you want to know more about what I use to sell on Etsy, check out these videos. The printer is linked in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.